Okay, my GCSE math students, okay, in this question we're asked to solve 7 minus 4x is equal to 35. So our job is to make x equals, okay, and then a number on the right hand side or something equals x. Okay, now here we've actually got a minus 4x here. Because I want to avoid you dealing with like negatives, okay, I'm going to add 4x to both sides to make it so I've got a positive x, okay? So I'm not having to faff around here and do like a negative, like x there. So it becomes 7 is equal to 35 plus 4x, so add 4x. I now want to get rid of this plus 35 on the right hand side. So I'm going to subtract 35 on both sides. So we've got 7 minus 35. Think of it as 35 minus 7, and then stick a minus sign or put a minus sign near the front. Okay, that will give you 28, so it's minus 28. Okay, so we got minus 28 is equal to 4x, dividing both sides of my equation by 4 to get x on its own. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Minus 28 divided by 4 is minus 7. So minus 7 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7. Or minus 7 equals x. Okay? And that, guys, is my final answer. Now, if you were comfortable, okay, with your negatives here, and that's completely fine, there is like a secondary method here to obviously solve this. So what I could have also done was subtracted 7 on both sides instead. I would have got myself minus 4x is equal to 35 minus 7 makes 28 or positive 28, and then divided through both sides by minus 4, okay, which would have got me x is equal to 28 over minus 4 or over negative 4 is minus 7 or negative 7. Okay, so that would have also got me the same answer. The only concern here is you might have forgotten about the minus sign and just put x equals 7. Okay, but yeah, okay, if you're happy with your negatives here, then the second method also works, but it's whatever method is appropriate for you. But if it was me, I want to try and make, the coefficient of x positive, if that makes sense. So i.e. get rid of this minus 4x by adding 4x to both sides, giving me 7 is equal to 35 plus 4x. Now, I know I said here that if you're not a fan of like negative numbers here, like it's not a good idea actually to always do that shit, because then if you subtract 35, then you get like a negative number. But this method, I think, still obviously holds, because then you don't have to divide by minus 4. Okay, you subtract 35 on both sides, so you get 7 minus 35, and then divide all this by 4 to give you x to be minus 7. And that is how we solve an equation like that. Okay, so bear that in mind when you have like a negative number there, okay, or negative coefficient of the letter. Thank you.